Hello, folks. So, welcome to part 16 of Learning Rust. Today is day 7 of my 100 days of Rust, and 100 days of like learning Rust. So, the last exercise we are actually just running some tests and we are fixing this function, and it's all working now. So, if one, I'm going to get rid of this to see what the next exercise is. I believe it must be if two, which is this. Um, Cool. So it is if2 and it says again mismatched types. And we're looking at line 9 public function foo if fizz. Okay. Fizzish, there's a string. I'm not sure why the ampersand symbol, and then there's a string expected string because of return type. Okay. Expected string found integer. Okay. So it looks like we are having a expression, tail expression, which is an integer at line 13, and this is the one. So let's look at the tests though. So it says fizz for foo for fizz. Okay, foo if fizz. Foo for fizz. Foo. And this should have been foo. I mean, this should be foo. And then bar for fuzz. Okay, foo if fizz. Sorry, foo if fizz. Fuzz. Okay, this is pretty tongue twisting. This must be bar. The output one is bar. And the value of this is literally anything default to baz. So fizz, fuzz, and then anything else. So it's foo bar or baz. So here fizzish is the string, and if it's fizz, it's foo. Okay, that's pretty cool. If it's bar, I mean, sorry, if it's fuzz, you have to actually say, do we have switch? I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and like use if else for now. Think else if, and if it's fuzz, like return so fuzz bar, and then for anything else return baz, and then see all works. Yep, it works. Awesome. So do they have a switch case? I don't know. I mean, let's see. Do they have switch? No. Let me go and check out interest, right? Learn growth standard. Okay, let's do this. Switch case in Rust. Rust switch case. Do I have any official thing? Okay, so it says, oh, so there's a thing called match, and then you match this with this, and then there's a default. Okay, so there's like number equal to 3, and then match. So switch statement is basically nested if, though it does not support expression, it matches an integer, string, or Boolean data type variable with a given set of cases. Right, close that. It is mainly used in a menu-driven program where the user selects which function they want to run. Okay, single variable matching, variables in single case. Okay. Oh, interesting. You can say this or this or this. I remember in I think C you used to have like over or like uh, cases where it's not broken, like you don't do a break, you just let it flow and put the logic in the last one. This is interesting. So you just put an arrow and that's it. And you use underscore for default. Separating with or like the type operator. Inclusive range, interesting. And then exclusive range, okay. Inclusive, so 19, teenage. Yeah, okay. So this is inclusive of 19. Is it inclusive of 13? I don't know. Let's find out. Boolean match case, match head false. Okay. Okay. Coincide head. What? Oh, head is false. Okay, false. Tail. Cool. And then string match case. string head, print head, awesome. Cool, I think this is pretty interesting. So there is a match statement, okay. Match case and whatnot, right? What does this say? Yep, match, it is. And you can also use this curly brace, I think, wherein you can actually say, one moment, copy code, okay. You can print and then also return. This is the tail statement. This is the value, I think, that you get into this. Cool. So let's probably go ahead and try this out. So we have this. So I'm gonna go ahead and like try out same thing. Comment this out and then say match, and then say physish, and then say fizz, then foo, and then fuzz bar. Should I actually use a, I think I should use a comma. Okay, I should use a comma over here. Does it say that? Expected comma. Okay. And then we have underscore for which something here, underscore for which we have baz. And cool. It's all good. By the way, if I comment out this, it says non-exhaustive patterns. It says ampersand and then underscore. Basically, underscore is not covered. The matched values of type ampersand string ensure that all possible cases are being handled by adding a matching arm, okay, match arm with a wildcard pattern or an explicit pattern is shown. So it's underscore or ampersand underscore and then to do aborting due to previous error. Okay, there's a thing called to do, huh? Like, can you say literally to do? Wow. Indicates unfinished code. This can be useful if you're prototyping and are just looking to have your code type check. Difference between unimplemented and to do is that to do conveys an intent of implementing the feature and the message is not yet implemented. No, so say its message is not implemented. Also, some ideas will mark to do's. Okay. Always panic. Okay, interesting. Cool. So we have to do unimplemented and whatnot. Unimplemented, unreachable. Interesting. Indicates unreachable code to do. Okay. Awesome. So we have baz and then you're good to go. Awesome. So that's pretty straightforward. Third and whatnot. Okay. And if I run tests, it won't run it here because it does some weird stuff over here for some reason. Like go to terminal. Problems. Hey, terminal. Terminal. Okay. Debug console. Weird. I had the tests running here. One moment. We run the tests. Okay, it's running here. It says cargo tests, no capture. Cool. Some reason it just doesn't run these tests at all. It says 000 only. Anyways, I'm gonna figure that out probably later when tests come up. But for now, the aim was to just get this done and make it pass, and they're good to go. We were just learning if statements, so I think we're good. So that's all I had for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.